Are you thinking about starting a business but worried about money, time, or experience? You are not alone. Many people hesitate because they don't know where to start. Today I am breaking down 5 profitable halal business that you can start even with $0. And if you stick around, I will share a step-by-step strategy to get started. Let's go. Listen, I know a lot of you have dreams of starting a halal business, but you are held back by fear, doubt, or lack of knowledge. The truth is, most successful entrepreneurs started small. No huge investment, no perfect plan, they just took action. Today I'm giving you real business ideas that are 100% halal, beginner friendly, and profitable even outside hustle. And the best part, some of these don't even require money to start. Let's dive in. 1. Print on demand. Imagine selling Sabr and Shukur hoodie or a pray, hustle, repeat mark, all without printing, shipping, or touching inventory. With print on demand, you can create Islamic inspired merch and sell it on platforms like Shopify. No upfront costs. How to start? 1. Design simple Islamic themed graphics. Use free tools like Canva. 2. Upload to a print on demand platform. 3. Promote on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Every sale earns you money passively. 2. Halal dropshipping. Halal dropshipping means selling physical products without handling inventory. You just market and sell while suppliers ship directly to customers. For example, a halal skincare store selling organic alcohol-free beauty products. You never touch the products, but you keep the profits. Platform Shopify. Profit potential $500 to $5,000 per month with the right strategy. You have a skill someone else wants to learn. Why not monetize them? If you are good at Quran recitation, Arabic, social media marketing, or even budgeting, you can teach online. Ways to monetize. 1. Sell an online course. 2. Offer one-on-one coaching. 3. Run a paid Telegram or WhatsApp group. Turn your knowledge into passive income. 4. Social media management. Did you know many halal businesses struggle with social media? They don't know what to post, how to grow, and how to engage customers. That's where you come in. What you do as a social media manager. 1. Create engaging content. 2. Grow followers and engagement. 3. Run paid ads. Optional but profitable. Earn $500 to $2,000 per month per client, even working from home. 5. YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. How it works. 1. Choose a topic. 2. Write a script. 3. Use AI. 4. Edit and upload videos. Now that you have 5 halal business ideas, which one will you start? Comment below. Bonus tip. Pick one business, take action, and stay consistent. Small steps equal big results. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more halal business strategies, check the description for resources and tools.